What's going on, guys? Arden. I'm back with another tinting video. Um, so my first one was at 300Z. It was a task, but we got something a lot different now. It's going to be a lot easier. So here we go. Let me show you what we got. So I've got it's either a 22 or 23. I can't remember. But this is my future brother-in-law's wife's car. It's a Grand Cherokee. He's just wanting to do the match the front two windows to the rear. Because they have the factory privacy glass. So I have my tint reader here. See, it says 100. That means completely clear. And let me put this on here, then I'll show you what it reads. All right, so it's reading 29. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 35 on the front two. Now you may be like, why would you do that? Why wouldn't you do like 30 or something like that? Or do 20 because it looks a little darker. I think 20 would look a little weird. And also, if you measure this window, like, yeah, it doesn't have any tint on it. If you measure that, it'll probably read anywhere from like 70 to 90, maybe. So when you put a 35 on there, it's actually going to read a little darker than 35. So it may be even almost become a dead match. When I get one window done, we'll do the test and measure it. So I can show you how that works. Because a lot of people don't take that into account especially when people are like, I want to do only what's legal in my state, and say 35% is what's legal here in Tennessee. If you put a 35% film on this and a cop pulls you over and measures your tint, you're actually going to read darker than 35. So that's just a heads up on that if you had never seen that before. But yeah, we're going to get ready. I'm going to go grab my film because it is still in the basement of the house. So yeah, we're gonna go grab that film and get ready to cut this and prep it and all that good stuff. All right, so I completely forgot about stuff like this because I forgot I needed tape. So these have the felt gaskets, as you can see up here. So you need to tape the sides. If not, you'll get a lot of that little black fuzz everywhere in your tint on the sides. The top doesn't really matter because you drop the window down and then you'll squeegee out the top of the window. So that doesn't really matter. Also, I'm going to look into bottom loading this. I learned doing two-staging, but I started this new job and they do like kind of a half and half, where if something's just really easy to two-stage, you two-stage it. And if something's really easy to take like the door panels off, you bottom load it. So I've kind of fell in love with bottom loading. So I'm going to see if I can do this one that way. But yeah, we're going to throw the film on here and get it cut out and everything. All right, so door number 1 is complete. I don't remember what I left off with, but cut it, installed it, did bottom load it. So as you can see, door panel is loose. You take the some people call it a sweep. We call it like a bottom seal, but it's pretty simple. There's a little cover that goes over this and also a 10 mil bolt right there. Take that out and this literally just pops off. So yeah, I'm going to get ready. I'm going to put this seal back in, door panel back on. And then I'm going to back it out and flip it around, so that, the driver door will be on this side. Just because that makes it a little bit easier because I don't have much room with that wall being there. But yeah, that one is complete. I'm going to get the tint meter and show you what it measured at, because this was, where's my box? Right here. Let's see. So it's upside down, but you get the gist. Pro Nano 35%. So let me show you. All right, so it is measuring at 31. Sometimes it'll bleep to 32, so it's like 31 and a half. But like I said, I put 35% on there, so it's going to read a little darker, because if you read just an untinted window, it actually reads at like anywhere from 70 to 90%. This read at 29, so we were very close. If I did 20, it would have read probably 10%. No, it probably would have read 10% less than what this measured at. So this was just the easier match. All right, so here's finished product. Did the Pro Nano 35% on the front two doors. Looks pretty solid. Looks good. But I appreciate you guys watching. That was a very simple video of just doing the front two doors on a SUV, on a Grand Cherokee. But you know, I'm hoping I can do more of these, and hopefully I can get like a tripod and I can actually set it up and show more of the process. But yeah, that'll come later on, and then I can get better at filming these and stuff like that. But I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in the next one.